Put a bird on. Oh, I have to do it again?
Hi, I'm Bryce Shivers.
Hi, I'm Lisa Eversmith.
And we put birds on things.
Today we're going to a home on Mississippi Avenue. Nothing has birds on it, but do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put birds on things.
Spruce it up, make it pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Put a bird on it.
I'm putting a bird right on this teapot. It's a bird. I bet you it's flying all over the beach.
What a sad little tote bag. I know, I'll put a bird on it. Did you see this tote bag before? I didn't. Now there's a bird. It's flying. It's free.
I'm gonna put a bird right on this car.
You like that, ma'am?
Oh, that's fantastic.
I sewed a bird right onto this pillow.
Oh, you missed a spot.
Ow, watch your finger.
But the bird.
Ma'am, am I bleeding? Ma'am?
No, she's fine.
She's fine, I'm not.
Me put a bird on toast.
Put
A.
bird
On.
it.